So you finish your site and you publish it to the web at your hosting provider, for instance, and then everything looks fine. You go to your site. Let's say this is online, localhost, webs test, and you have a welcome page. Your welcome page is, of course, your index. So everything looks fine. Now, one problem is that, first of all, your site is on the internet and therefore available to everybody in the world. And as soon as it's online, hackers begin to hit it and look at various parts of your site for vulnerabilities. One vulnerability is, since many hosting providers allow browsing by default for the directories on your website, a hacker could, for instance, hack around and say, let's see, does he have anything like a download directory? No. Does he have like a data directory? Ah, look at this. He has a data directory. What do we have in here? A database, an SQLite database that we can download. An import CSV file, some instructions that we can read. Isn't that interesting? Members XML file full of member information and a little settings INI file. Look at this, a database name and a user and a password with zeros and ones in it. Isn't that cute? So the hacker takes all of this information back to his lair and he'll be back. So how do you protect yourself against this? If you're hosting with an Apache web server, then you can make a .ht access file. Let me show you how to do that. You go to your directory here. Say your main directory is the best place here. So we're in my web directory. Do open up Notepad. Let me show you how not to do it. If you do it like this, new, and then text file, and then type .ht access, enter, you'll have a problem because Windows has a problem with files that start with a dot. Just do it this way. Open up Notepad, File, Save, .ht access. Don't forget to click here, All Files, otherwise it'll be called .htaccess.txt, which won't protect you at all. And then just click Save, and then it'll be fine. You will see that you have your file there now. So what kind of magic incantation do you have to type in here to prevent people from browsing your folders? It is options, space, hyphen, indexes, save file. Be the hacker again, go back here and access forbidden. One word of caution with these HT access files, be sure that you type everything absolutely correctly. If you just have like an extra space in there or something, Apache reacts quite strongly. Let's reload the page. Server error 500 all over your site. Server error, just because of that little space. So just be pre-warned. Syntax is very important in these HT access files. But if you get it right, they're very powerful. As you can see, you no longer have anybody browsing your directories. But what if they have a lot of time on their hands, these hackers, and they think that you have a data directory, so they say, I wonder if he has like a settings txt file, object not found, Or if he has a settings.ini file. Look at that. Even though I'm not allowed to browse the directory, I am allowed to read the files if I happen to guess their name. So maybe this isn't a gaping security hole, but it is a security hole nonetheless. How do we plug it? Well, we go back to our .ht access file, and we type in some more magic incantations. Be sure you get the syntax right. File match, files match, double quotes, backslash, period, open parentheses, then the extensions of the files you want to protect. I want to protect SQLite files, pipe. I want to protect XML files, pipe, CSV files, pipe, TXT files, pipe, INI files. All of those files I want to protect. $, double quotes, end of tag. Message is deny from all, end the tag, files match, and save. That's all you have to do. Reload, access forbidden on that page. Now for any other files, for instance, you might have PDF files in data that you want to be downloaded, and they're able to be downloaded. What you specify here are the endings that should be protected. All files that end with .sqlite, .xml, .csv, .text, or .ini will not be able to be downloaded.